Once known as Boulder Dam, the Hoover Dam was constructed during the midst of the Great Depression from 1931 to 1936 along the Colorado River between the border of Nevada and Arizona. Overall, the dam would employ thousands of workers, with over 100 workers being lost in construction. At the time, the dam costs $49 million to construct and would be $836 million when adjusted for inflation to today. The Hoover Dam is located 30 miles southeast from Las Vegas, Nevada, and helps to support the city through the generation of electricity and as a source of water. Behind the Hoover Dam, you will find one of the largest man-made lakes. Lake Mead was created when the natural flow of the Colorado River was interrupted with the dam. The water stored in Lake Mead is used to support parts of the western United States like Las Vegas. At the bottom of the dam, you will find power lines leading up to the surface from where the water that has been processed through the dam is being released. The electricity generated at the dam is used to power parts of the western United States and Las Vegas. Crossing the canyon in front of the Hoover Dam is the Callaghan-Tillman Memorial Bridge. Prior to 2010, normal traffic would cross the canyon through the top of the Hoover Dam. However, the bridge now serves as a bypass for traffic, and the road passing above the Hoover Dam is now used for sightseeing. Aiding the United States in the midst of the Great Depression, the Hoover Dam still plays a vital role for America. Its production of electricity and storage of water for the people of the western United States is a vital necessity today and for the future to come.